3 points where Coffeezilla went wrong against Techlead and MM tokens. Techlead, a popular software developer, YouTuber, and entrepreneur, released a token called Million Token, which is based on Ethereum blockchain. It instantly rose to an all-time high price of $223.17 in just 2 weeks' time. Now Coffeezilla, who is a very popular YouTuber, who exposes fake gurus, crypto scams, has attacked Techlead on his latest video. He called MM tokens as shit token, which are basically just a Ponzi money laundering scheme done by Techlead, who has earned close to $10 million in just 1 month. I am a big fan of both these guys and follow their each and every videos. So, this video is not against any of them. Both these two YouTubers always bring genuine content which are always appreciated by all their subscribers. But mistakes can be done by people, that is natural. I bring out 3 points where Coffeezilla went wrong against Techlead and MM tokens. 1. Coffeezilla said Techlead told people to buy the token as an investment. Techlead never said that the token is an investment scheme. What he clearly told users that they should not put more money than what they can handle. Clearly, he wants to say that crypto have high risk, and so MM token, going to a high, is no guarantee. See Techlead videos from July 1st to July 15th where he has said this thing multiple times. 2. Coffeezilla said Techlead has not disclosed to the users that he is going to make money on Million tokens. In one of his video that was posted somewhere around July 15th to August 5th, Techlead has told users that he has put his token on liquidity pools, which has allowed him to earn on his holdings. He even said he has earned what he invested in MM tokens right now. So it means he was confirming that he has already earned $1 million till today, and so his investment on MM tokens are already positive. 3. Coffeezilla said Techlead created Ponzi money laundering scheme through MM tokens. I don't think so, as Million token rose by 214x times, so people who put their money to get the quick gains have already made profits. Coffeezilla also said that MM tokens serves no purpose, so it is a Ponzi scheme. This is what applicable to every crypto in the market today. We can't buy coffee, tea, or common items with cryptos, as there is a big transaction fee, that is gas fee. Except for trading, no crypto serves any purpose. There is one thing which Techlead has to clear: how much money he invested, $50,000 or $1 million. Coffeezilla investigation only finds $50,000 on Etherscan. So Techlead should give proof on this. I asked Coffeezilla to take another note on the 3 points I made. Waiting for Techlead and Coffeezilla new videos on MM tokens.